Oh, that is horrible. That is horrible. Have you ever accidentally left your protein shake bottle uncleaned in the car for 24 hours or just sitting out for more than a day? You know that smell when you open it up is horrendous. And no matter how many times you clean your protein shake bottle, it'll never go away. No matter how many times you throw it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand, it'll forever be tainted. This is like the same thing, but maybe 10 times worse. If you leave any amount of milk in these for more than a day, they smell horrendous all the time. So you gotta wash these things right away. And that's why I got a bottle washer. And today we are going to unbox the brand new version of it, the DeepClean Baby Bottle Washer D8. There's literally no appliance that I use more than my baby bottle washer. And I know you might be saying, well, why not just throw it in the dishwasher? Or why not wash it by hands? It's not that hard. Okay, why do you have a vacuum? Why do you have a dryer? You buy these things because it's convenient and it's nice to have. That's why I have a baby bottle washer, because I use it every day. We go through so many bottles. And my dishwasher, my personal one, takes forever, like literally an hour and a half, 2 hours to go through a cycle. Doesn't exactly clean or sanitize things as much as I would like. Same with washing it by hand. Whereas a baby bottle washer, it'll be a faster cycle. You can load up to 8 bottles at a time and it will actually sanitize with steam dry. So that's why I got the Momcozy DeepClean bottle washer. So first I want to thank Momcozy for sending me this and sponsoring this video. I use a baby bottle washer every single day, so I'm super excited to try out this new version from Momcozy. Reading off the specs, what makes this bottle washer better than the other baby bottle washers? This specific bottle washer by Momcozy can clean up to 8 bottles at a time. It uses 44 high pressure nozzles to reach every part of the bottle. It steam sterilizes the bottles after it's done washing them and has a drying feature which makes the bottles ready to go, so you can just pick them up, pour your milk in without having to worry about the bottles still being dirty or any kind of moisture or liquid still in the bottles. You can put this on a rapid cycle for 19 minutes, a normal wash for 29 minutes, or if you want to put it on a sterile cycle only for bottles that are already clean, you can put that in for 9 minutes. And then if you want to just do the works, clean, sterilize, and dry your bottles, you have about 60 minutes. It also has a self-cleaning feature for the machine itself, which takes about 30 minutes. I don't even think my dishwasher has a self-cleaning cycle. It's pretty old, but the point is you can throw 8 bottles into the Momcozy DeepClean bottle washer and know it's going to be clean and sterilized, ready to go. Or you can clean 8 bottles by hand. Yeah, it might be faster, but is it going to be as clean? Are you going to get that funky smell out all the time? I don't know. Depends on how good you are at cleaning. Also, for me personally, it's just something I don't want to do every day. I don't want to have to scrub these by hand every single day because we run through so many bottles with my chunky boy. And on the dishwasher side, I personally just don't trust my dishwasher. Maybe you have a fantastic dishwasher that you trust, you know will sterilize it. But from my own experience with dishwashers, they're not that great and they take forever. So in my personal opinion, I think this extra appliance is worth it because I use it every single day. So let's do the unboxing. Ooh, that was satisfying. An owner's manual, Momcozy detergent pods. What is this? So they're nipple hooks if you want to hook your nipples on to one of the parts. Tablets to clean your bottle washer. And then of course the tube so you can just drain it into your sink or wherever you want. Is that it? I think that's all the assembly there is. You just gotta hook this up and the cord and I'm done. So let's take this down to the kitchen and test it out. Okay everyone, here we are, the Momcozy DeepClean Bottle Washer D8. Remember, D8 stands for 8 bottles at a time, but you don't have to just clean your standard baby bottles, like 8 of them. Clean wider bottles or straws or any kind of like breast pump holder, anything that needs to be cleaned like that daily. One cool thing I recently found out is they have these rubber feet that come with it. So you can put the feet on if you want it to just stay here and sit still, or you can roll it if you have like a different counter space setup where you need to twist it, roll it a little bit better. I think it's perfect right here, so I'm gonna put the feet back on. But this just really blends in well with our counter space. The setup is super easy. You have your outlet here, I just plug that in, and then your hose that runs across into your sink, barely visible, blends in great. So let's come take a closer look and I'll show you a few different setups that you can do with this thing. Okay, so your first standard setup is you're gonna take off the lid and you're gonna have your bottles. You put them in the high pressure nozzles right there, and that's about it. You can fill up to 8 of those. You can put your nipples in here as well as any caps or screws, and the jets will shoot into the nipples, clean it from the outside of the nipples up here. But you can also take off these hooks and put on some nipple hooks if you wanted to add more nipples, or you have a different kind of setup with your bottles. So mostly I just use the standard setup where you take these off, they just pop right in and out, super easy. I just use the standard setup like that, and then I put my nipples up here. But let's say you have a wider bottle. You can take, let me take this off so I can show you. You put one of these 360 nozzles that'll spray, and this spins like a helicopter, super fast. So you get more coverage if you have a wider bottle, mouth right there. Deep cleaning that, super easy, as well as fitting your standard bottles next to it. And let's say you have one of those bottles that have the straws. You can put one in here, one in there. The jets will shoot into the straw, super great, you get both ends. I really like that they added these features up here instead of just the big bottle washers down there. So there's different things you can clean, maybe a little bit your more sensitive stuff up here, and then your bigger bottles down here. However you want to set it up, I think it's great. Just like I showed you, you can pull this in and out, put your nipples in there, hooks right in. It's great if you wanted to have a certain setup with your bottles, your hooks, your nipples. And then you throw in one of your detergent tabs right in there. You fill up your water and you're good to go. So let's load this up. I'm going to show you how I do it, and we're going to see exactly how this thing runs. So this is my typical bottle setup right here. I usually just do the straight stream right up into the bottles. I don't have much need for these bigger bottles. I don't use them that much. I think this is our only one actually. So I don't really use these ones. And then I have the nipples up here, and just kind of put these on their own nozzles right there. And then the screws, they're really simple and easy to clean, so you can just kind of throw those around. They'll get hit by the 360 jets right there. But usually if I have, because I don't have much need for the wider nozzles, I will usually just throw this on if I have extra space that, like, I'm not cleaning that many bottles. And I think it just gets more coverage. You know, if I have an empty spot here, instead of just going straight stream up, I will throw this on so it gets that 360 turbo coverage helicopter mode right there. But we're gonna use all of our nozzles today. We're gonna max fill this thing up because that's usually what my load looks like. We have our detergent pods right here. We just throw it in there anywhere, really doesn't matter. And then you slide this on and you will hear, did you hear that? A little noise so you know it's sealed correctly. And then let me fill this up real quick, and then we'll turn it on and let it go. Okay, now that we have this filled, we have our detergent pod in there. If we wanted to use some straws or some different bottles, we could throw that in there. But like I said, I usually just stick with these bottles. But that is the great part about this Momcozy bottle washer, is you have a big variety of setup that you can do. So our water's filled, we hold on the power button, and we have different modes we can use. We can do 3 different times for wash mode. I'm gonna use the longest mode. We have our storage mode, a lighting mode if you want to see the light, just something cool. We have our cleaning mode. If we wanted to clean the machine itself with no bottles in there, we can have our cleaning mode, and we put on our tablets for cleaning for that. We have drying, steam only, whatever you want. You have a lot of options here. So we're going to choose the longest mode. We're going to throw this in here and see how it works, and we'll come back later. There we go. So that is the Momcozy DeepClean bottle washer, D8. It can clean up to 8 bottles at a time, not even counting all the nipples, all the little baby parts for your bottle, all of the pump parts that you need. If you are spending so much time at the sink scrubbing bottles, pump parts, I highly recommend looking into the Momcozy DeepClean bottle washer. I've said it throughout this video many times. I use this thing every single day. It saves me so much time, and I know my bottles are going to be clean and sterilized. I can take it right from the washer, dump my milk in it, and hand it to my baby. So I highly recommend you check it out. And if you're wondering what is the deal with the outfit change, my baby spit up all over me. I had to change, and record this video days later because he's very upset. If only Momcozy would come out with a washer, that would be great. I could put all of my spit up shirts into it. Maybe that's a future idea for Momcozy right there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.